Hi students, hope you all are fine. In today's topic in carbon and its compounds, we shall discuss two topics. First one is isomerism and second one is homologous series. What is this isomerism? Isomerism is nothing but it is a property of carbon compounds to have same molecular formula but different properties because of the difference in their structure. This kind of isomerism is called structural isomerism. I repeat, it is a property of the carbon compounds to have same molecular formula but different properties because of the difference in their structures is called isomerism. Now if you see this CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, if you condense the formula it will become C4H10. Here also CH3, CH, CH3, CH3, this is what you have. This is, if you condense the formula you will get C4H10, C4 and H atoms are 10. So the molecular formula is C4H10, but this is called N-butane and this is called isobutane and their properties are totally different. This phenomenon is called isomerism and the compounds which exhibit isomerism are called isomers. Now, so here if you have seen the formula it is C4H10, here also it is C4H10. Carbon compounds exhibit isomerism. The next topic is about homologous series. What is this homologous series? Homologous series are nothing but it is a series of carbon compounds which differ by a unit called CH2. The individual terms in the series are called homologues. For example, if you take the series CH4, C2H6, C3H8, CH3OH, C2H5OH, C3H7OH, each one of them differ by a chemical unit CH2. They differ by a chemical unit CH2. So here this kind of series is called homologous series. What are the properties of homologous series? They have same general formula, they have all one general formula. Example, alkane, this is alkyne and this is alcohol, CnH2n plus 1 OH, this is an alcohol. They all differ by a unit CH2. Chemical properties, they have all chemical properties, they have similar chemical properties because they have same functional group. Physical properties, they show a difference in the physical properties, show a regular gradation. So that is about the homologous series. The example of homologous series that you have is alkanes general formula CnH2n plus 2, alkenes general formula CnH2n, alkynes general formula CnH2n minus 2. Let us substitute 1 here. For alkanes you start with 1. For alkenes and alkynes you start with 2 because no compound like C2H4, no compound like CH2 exists. Here also there is no compound like C2, C1 and H0, it does not exist like that. So for alkenes and alkynes you start with 2, whereas for alkanes you start with 1. So here you have, if you put 1 here you get CH4, if you put you get C2H6, if you put 3 here you get C3H8, if you put 4 you will get C4H10, if you put 5 you will get C5H12. The name of this is methane. 1 carbon atom you call it as meth, 2 eth, 3 prop, 4 but, 5 pent. Because this is alkane, this is first one is called methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. So I shall repeat, this is methane, ethane, propane, butane, pentane. Similarly, if you see alkenes, we do not have meth here, you have only eth. So this is ethene, propene, butene, pentene. Next one will be hexene and so on. Here it is, you do not have meth, it starts with eth. This is ethyne, propyne, butane, pentyne. So that is how the name goes. If there is one carbon atom, you call it as meth. If there are 2 carbon atoms, you call it as eth. If you have 3 carbon atoms, you call it as prop. If you have 4 carbon atoms, you'll call it as but. If you have 5 carbon atoms, you call it as pent. So this is how it goes. So that's about today's class, children. We have discussed about isomerism and homologous series. In the next class, we shall discuss about nomenclature. That's all for today's class. See you in the next class.